Hey guys, and a special hello to my subscribers. This is, we're in the middle of a blizzard. I know it doesn't look like it, but, you know, you would think the snow would be coming down a lot heavier, but it was earlier. It's been going on since, I don't know, about 10 o'clock today. And, it's February 2nd, 2016. And it accumulated really fast and then kind of lightened up a bit. But yeah, it's my favorite part of snowfalls is this: the accumulation on the trees. I absolutely love it. It is my favorite part. And I've heard a lot of people complain, and you know what, even I'm guilty of it, complaining earlier today, because, well, I had to do a lot of, oh god, look at that. I had to do a lot of snow removal at my job today, and, come on, focus. I was kind of like, grrr, this fucking snow. But, to be honest though, if I don't have to remove it, I love it. I love this stuff. I wouldn't have it any other way in winter in Wisconsin. I absolutely love it. And I think it's one of the great things about this state and living here. And I wouldn't give it up for anything. So, anyways, I thought I'd make this quick video to, let me wipe that off. Did that help? A little bit. But yeah, I thought I'd share my thoughts. I think I have before on this, but as always, I love this. And thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, check out my other videos, and leave a comment down below. And yeah, happy winter.